Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the thermal fuse in your double wall oven, be sure to shut off the power to the oven junction box. Open the oven doors so you can use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the 4 screws securing the wall oven frame to the cabinet. Have an assistant help you to slide the appliance forward approximately 4 inches. Now use the Phillips-head screwdriver or a 1/4 inch nut driver to unthread the screws to release the 2 control panel mounting brackets. Next, remove the 4 screws securing the panel assembly itself. Lift the control panel assembly up to detach. Disconnect the communication wire as well as the grounding wire to fully remove the assembly. Use needle nose pliers to help disconnect the 2 wire connectors from the thermal fuse. Release the 2 mounting studs from the support bracket to fully remove the old fuse. Install the new thermal fuse by snapping the mounting studs into the holes in the mounting bracket. Connect the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals. Reinstall the control panel assembly by first connecting the communication wire to the user interface board and the grounding wire to the grounding tab. Now realign the panel assembly on the frame. Then thread and tighten the 4 screws to secure. Realign the mounting brackets and secure them with the screws. Push the wall oven back into the cabinet. Confirm that the side trim pieces are in place. Then thread the screws to secure the frame to the cabinet. With the repair completed, turn the power supply back on, and the double wall oven should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.